Do you want to master your mental strength? Do you want to fix your flaws? Let me tell you, I have an effective solution for you. Keep watching. Hi everyone, this is Shubhra. Welcome to the Reading Tales. My today's review is about a book, 13 Things That Mentally Strong People Don't Do, and it's written by Amy Morin. So let me tell you a little bit about Amy. She is a psychotherapist, a mental strength trainer. Till now, she has written 4 books, and this is her first one, which has been translated into 40 other languages. She's also a columnist in Business Insider and Forbes. You can also listen her in TEDx talks. She is amazing. So what are these 13 things that mentally strong people don't do? They don't waste their feelings sorry for themselves. They don't give away their power. They don't shy away from change. They don't focus on things that they can't control, and the list goes on until 13. Obviously, I'm not going to talk about whole 13 points here. My main motive here is to tell you how effective this book is. Now, if you have read a lot of self-help books, you might have already come across some of the ideas that are discussed in this book, and you might even feel that this is just so common. So what is great about her book? Let me tell you, the great thing about her book is that this book will help you bridge the gap between the knowledge and practice. So Amy, from the beginning of the book, stresses that mental strength requires practice. It is not just like you read the book and you are done. So this book will help you. The stories in this book will help you, apply learnings in your own life and benefit from them. Coming to the structure of book, this book has 13 chapters which covers 13 points, and each chapter starts with the relatable stories combined with psychological research of the author to make it more beneficial and effective for the readers. So basically it includes a checklist of symptoms or problems, list explaining why the problem has occurred, and providing strategies that how you can avoid those problems or how you can change your behavior so that you become more happier and more successful and more mentally strong. Talking about the writing style in this book, it's very simple, clear, and to the point. Her patient stories will keep you engaged throughout your read. And I would say that author has made sure in each and every of her points that her readers gets maximum takeaways. How you can read this book? So this book is around 250 pages. It is not that big thick book. So even if you are a beginner reader, you will enjoy it. Now you can read this book chapter by chapter, starting from the first chapter. Or if you want to improve on a certain topic, you can just pick a topic and get started. But please remember that this is a book. Only by reading a book you can't become better. You definitely need a practice, and this book will help you, will teach you how you can become mentally strong. I hope my review is helpful and will make you want to pick up the book. If it does, then do let me know in the comment box below. Please like, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon if you haven't done already. Now you can buy this book in any locations from any bookstores, or you can also buy it online. Till then, keep reading. See you soon. Bye-bye.